Right off the bat, Season 2 of The Owl House is already off to an amazing start, providing us with amazing story-driven episodes like Escaping Expulsion, as well as episodes that give us even more information on the past, like Echoes of the Past and Keeping Up Appearances, as well as Separate Ties, which was a nice fresh introduction back into The Owl House in Season 2. However, I want to talk about what happened at the end of Season 1, because it correlates to what's happening in Season 2. You know, the scene where Emperor Belos is very obviously planning something. Yes, and I believe that some episodes in the ongoing season 2 of The Owl House, like I said, provide us with even more evidence on the topic. So let's get a crackin'. Yeah. First, I want to talk about the scene from Escaping Expulsion, more particularly the ending scene where the Golden Guard meets the Blight Parents and requests the Abomatrons for some sort of secret army. Kind of like the fifth book in Harry Potter, except in this case, it's for the opposite reasons. So it might not be the right comparison, but hey, I tried. But anyway, why is Belos making an army with the Abomination machines? And what does it have to do with the Day of Unity? Well, maybe it could be used for an invasion or attack on the human world. Well, I mean, it is very possible, since in the ending scene of Season 1, we do see Emperor Belos putting together an interdimensional travel sort of portal machine, as suggested with the shape and the usage of the portal door Ida used to have. And it doesn't stop there either. In Separate Ties, we do see Belos at the portal machine once again, but this time seeming to have used it or maybe tested it. This could be backed up by the fact that Belos is visibly locking and leaving the door, maybe from another realm. It really gives you Gravity Falls vibes for the scene when Stanford/Stanley Pines were using the interdimensional travel portal to other dimensions and realms. So maybe Belos is doing the same thing. Well, I mean, Alex Hirsch, the creator of Gravity Falls, was a creative consultant in the show, so it isn't too far off. Also, he voiced King and Hootie, and those are very, very good characters, so yeah. And if so, that might be the reason for the gray hair of Belos. But that might just be the suspected curse of his that was suggested in the trailer. Right, so next up, I want to talk about the Titan's blood that was mentioned by Lilith and Mia's mother at the end of the episode, along with a very, very creepy Luz. Like, that thing is straight up nightmare fuel. And it's also said in the episode where Titan's blood can cause leaks between worlds, possibly allowing interdimensional travel. And that might just be what Belos is trying to get his hands on, so he might have looked for things that might have it in them, like an interdimensional travel door. Alright, admittedly that might not be accurate, but we will find out, or at least get to know a bit about Titansville in the episode, Through the Looking Glass Ruins. Man, that episode title's a tongue twister. Oh well, getting back on track, we will find out something, or hopefully just a smidget, since Gwendolyn did say that there was a human on the Boiling Isles before that, and he hid his information in the library, so in the episode where Luz and Amity go to the library in the Forbidden Stacks, they might find some of his books or works he hid away. Now, what that might be is just probably newer and more secretive information, so much so that they had to hide it or just keep it in the Forbidden Stacks at the library. Now, knowing television shows, they wouldn't reveal too much information at once, but there will probably be some piece of glaring info or so in the episode. What I think might happen with the Titan's blood is that in the library they find out more information about the Titan's blood, or just a book they found to review it later. So they find the Titan's blood ingredients and other ingredients for an interdimensional travel door so Luz can get home. And then they also try to find them. By they, I mean mostly Amity, since Luz falls sick, as told by the leaked episode title and synopsises. Alright, and that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment below your thoughts on Belos' plan and the portal door. I mean, there is more theories that can happen with this. As talking that, like, the new episode did release today, so this video is pretty late, but my theories still might be relevant. Make sure to tell me in the comments if YouTube decides to leave them on this time. And with that, I bid you my farewell to you all. Sideways smiley face, sideways grinning face.